Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Peyton Langford, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
Hey there, welcome back. Hope you're having a great Sunday. A lot of people out enjoying the lights of the Bentonville Square. It is pretty nice outside, and temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s across northwest Arkansas, as well as the River Valley. But we are seeing a little bit of moisture, and that's going to help aid as fuel for some thunderstorms with that system a little bit later on tonight and into our Monday morning. So where's that system? So looking at satellite radar, you see a little bit of rain towards the central part of the natural state, but our system, it is up to the north. You can really see that cold front on water vapor. Pretty stout, cold front with a lot of dry air behind it, going to be racing in over the next little bit. But what's interesting is there is a little bit of energy that will be out ahead of it. You can kind of see those colder cloud tops in Oklahoma City. So that energy will prompt a little bit of thunderstorm activity. That stuff will be a little bit more isolated. But once that boundary comes through, things will get a little bit more messy. It'll be some widespread convection and some embedded thunderstorms, some of which could be fairly strong. So we'll have to watch those initial storms, as well as once that boundary swings through, the scattered storms as well. That boundary will swing through throughout Monday afternoon. But the storms will be out ahead of it in the early morning hours. So the day one convective outlook, marginal risk across the entire area. The timing, 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. on Monday. A very low tornado threat, small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rain all on the table. So the low-end tornado threat is because there is a good amount of shear in the atmosphere and some pretty steep lapse rates, which is good for development of strong thunderstorms. But the shear, you want to take a look at the wind particles. You can see these pink and purple, that is 500 millibar winds racing across the screen. You get closer to that blue color, those are a little bit weaker. And those white lines, those are at the surface. So it'll tilt the earth so you can see the winds above our head and the winds at the surface. This kind of clockwise turning with height helps create a healthy updraft for thunderstorms and be able to mature pretty greatly and be, borderline severe. And it also kind of hints at warm air convection, which also helps fuel those thunderstorms. So that's pretty neat. And over time, it will weaken a little bit, especially when that energy swings through. So the severe threat is going to dwindle down in the hours just before daylight. But let's take a look at the significant tornado parameter. It does bump up just a little bit, but again, still on the lower threshold. So definitely not cranking up into those purples like we have seen for previous severe weather events. So very low tornado threat. Got to watch it though. Also very low large hail and damaging wind threat as well. So we'll definitely keep an eye out for all those ingredients and if they all come together and what to expect come closer time. So look at the future track, kind of what to expect. Some those isolated kind of storms, some of which could be a little bit stronger to severe. That's going to be in the hours about 10, 11:30, and then heading across midnight. That's when more energy is going to be coming through, and that's going to bring some more scattered thunderstorms. Again, some of which could be strong and a pretty kind of organized line with that cold front going to be coming through right around 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning and pushing through the River Valley right around 8 o'clock. So look at the 24-hour precipitation forecast timeline, 90%. Again, right around 3 o'clock is when we're expecting the worst of it to come through. Maybe 4:30, 5 o'clock in the River Valley. Beyond that, a little bit of rain coming in Tuesday night into Wednesday, and there's some cold air with that too. So that's going to cool us off pretty significantly. You can see those temperatures drop heading into next weekend. Morning low is going to be in the upper 20s, then drop down in the lower 20s by next weekend. And temperatures going to be a whole lot more seasonable, but we do have a rainy start to the week. Hey, stick with us. We'll be right back with more KNWA after this.